got a Chevrolet Captiva on a 2010 plate, just doing a headlight bulb on this. I'm going to show you which one it is first. If you can switch the lights on, please. Yeah, as you can see, that one there is working and this one isn't. To do it, it is not a simple procedure, but I will show you. Switch your lights off, please. Yeah, thank you. Now the bulb you need is a H7 bulb, as you can see right here. I've already taken these little clips off. So these were the clips that were in there. I've already taken them off to save time. All I now do is pull the whole thing out. Once I've got it out, you need a 10mm socket with a screwdriver bit or whatever. If you've got a ratchet with a longer extension, there's a bolt right in there. That's one of the bolt there. There's one here and there's one here. So I'm going to quickly remove these two. Get this one out as well. Put them on the side. Make sure you don't lose them. You don't drop them anywhere. Get this one out. And then the inside one here, you got to be careful with this one. So once you've undone it all the way, get your fingers on the bottom of the bolt like this and lift it out. Once you've got it out, all you then do is wiggle. That's it. And take the whole thing out. Now you can unplug it if you wanted to, but if you don't want to unplug it, all you then do is take this cover off. On the inside there, that's the plug. So it is a H7 bulb. Unplug it. Then you've got the spring. You push the spring down and pull it towards you. Then pull the spring back. Now you see how the bulb is situated. That's how you want to take it back out. So this little lug here that needs to point downwards. So I've got the new one, and never hold the bulb from the front of the lens from here, otherwise you will damage it. I then get the bulb in, move the spring back, get the bulb in place, push the spring in. I then push the spring down and in. Can you see right there? Down and in. That holds it in place. Plug it back in. Make sure you put the bulb in right. If you don't put the bulb in right, what will happen is you'll be blinding someone if you're driving behind someone. That's what you're going to be doing. So if I just get this connected and then gently slot it through, and that's it, job done. What we're going to do, I'm going to put the screws in a minute anyway. That's quite easy, you can do that anyway. And then put the cover on. But before I sort of kind of end the video, I'm going to show you they're working. Can you switch the lights on please now? Bingo, that's it. Magic, it's working. That's all you got to do. Lights off please. That's all you got to do on this particular model. I know I've got a playlist for Chevy. If I haven't, I will make one. But do check it out. And there is other bulbs we do as well. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like the video. Thank you and goodbye.